YouTube has a chat option that lets you share videos with your friends and then discuss that video right in YouTube using the chat option inside of YouTube without ever having to leave the website. Now, this has been around for a year as of August 2018, but I really haven't noticed it much before or seeing people using it, but I wanted to let my followers have a way to chat with me, so I'm gonna show you how to use that in this video. So usually when you go to a video or the homepage of YouTube, you should see this icon here. It's not on every single page, so you make sure you're on a video or on the homepage. Go ahead and click that, and this is basically the notification from it. So this lets you chat just like this, so you don't have to use Facebook Messenger or WhatsApp or other chatting apps like this. You could just use it right here by just pressing this. The one thing is you do have to connect with other friends inside of YouTube, so you have to make friends. So I'm gonna press that friends icon, and then you want to add friends. So you could just press add friends and it'll give you a special link. So if you copy this link, you can share this with people so they could go ahead and become your friends right here on YouTube and share videos with them and message with them right here. So I'm gonna leave this in the description so you can go ahead and add me as a friend here right on YouTube. That will give you that chat option as well as the comment option to connect with your favorite YouTubers.